So in the previous video, we have already discussed about the DFT and IDFT. So let me discuss about the 2D DFT and 2D IDFT. So come here at the first beginning. So you can get the 2D DFT. So this is the 2D DFT here. So this is the formula. So what is 2D DFT? First of all, you have to understand that what is the two-dimensional approach of an image. So you know that is the two-dimensional approach means there should be some xy fxy coordinates, okay, and xy are the spatial coordinates of an, and you can represent it as a matrix. So I have represented x represents their row and y represents their column. So there are the 3 rows and 4 columns. So this is a anomalous example. So let me give you the brief example, brief formula of these things. So that is a FUB equal to summation of, which is from x0 to m minus 1, that is the length, y0 to n minus 1. So xy, so you are taking the 2D DFT of m and n length, okay, and then you are required an exponential term. So why this exponential term is required? Because how much times you move, okay, in the complex domain, and then you are requiring the image, real image. So in the real image, what is actually we are transforming our image to spatial domain. That means the time domain to the frequency domain. So time domain, the coordinates are the xy. In the frequency domain, the coordinates are uv. So we have transformed it here. So why the DFT is required? To transform the spatial domain to the what frequency domain, okay. And next come to the inverse DFT. Inverse DFT, you have to revert your image as in the spatial domain. So there is your spatial coordinates. So how to do it? It is the same formula, 1 by mn, and you will need the summation because it is the linear combinations of the frequency domain values, and it will be moved to the clockwise. So what is the meaning of minus? Minus means it will move the clockwise, and plus means it will move the anti-clockwise. So that is the formula I have already told you. And next come to this part here. So how to solve a numerical? You can see the problem at first. So this is the problem, okay. So this is the problem. So they are asking me that we need to find the 2D DFT of f. F is starting from 0 1 to 1. So you can index it 0 1 2 3, and you can index it 0 1 2 3. So this is the row, so this is called x, and this is the column, this is called y. So you have got the fxy. Now what do you need? You need the Tweedle factor. So how to find the Tweedle factor for a four point matrix? I have already told you. Let me tell you again. So how to find the Tweedle factor of a 4 point matrix? 4 point DFT Tweedle factor. How to get it? Just make a circle here, and this circle, the upper will be J, and it is the symmetric, so it is minus. It will be -1. It will be +1. Have you got my point? So these things I have already showed here. I have shown here. Let me check. Um, Let me check it. Maybe I have shown. Okay, wait. Mm, I have not shown it. There. I show করলাম। হুম, এই হলো। এরপরে ছেড়ে দিলাম। তো হচ্ছে না। লাস্টে শেয়ার করেছি। My bad luck. I have written the notes, but I have not shown it. Sorry, let me write it again. Chalo. So how to find it? Suppose this is 4 point DFT, omega 4 0, omega 4 1. So move the clockwise. in sorry and counterclockwise. This is counterclockwise. No, no, clockwise. I am also confused. Okay, so W42 and W43. This is W4, what, 3 per 4. So you can write a matrix like this: W40, W41, W42, W43, W41, W42, W43. Then you can write this as again. So after putting the values, you will get this. What you will get? Let me show. You will get it. Okay. And in my video lecture, actually I am not ready to share you the video lectures. There are some problems in the note. So you might find that video is lengthy, but if you follow the video one by one and have a patience, you definitely get my point and everything is very clear here. Okay. Now I forgot what page I have opened. Okay, মানে কিছুক্ষণ আগে যে পেজটা ওপেন করেছিলাম সেই পেজটাই এখন খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না। যাই হোক, কোথায় গেল সেই পেজটা আমাকে খুঁজতে হবে। মনে হচ্ছে অন্য পড়া পড়িয়ে দিই তোমাদের। হিস্টোগ্রাম তো পড়িয়ে দিয়েছি অলরেডি। তো এই তো পেয়ে গেছি। চলো পেয়ে গেছি। এই যে। তো এই ভ্যালুটা কোথা থেকে আসছে বুঝতে পেরেছো? তো এটা হচ্ছে টুইডেল ফ্যাক্টরের ভ্যালু। এটা হচ্ছে 4 পয়েন্ট টুইডেল ফ্যাক্টরের যে ম্যাট্রিক্সটা আগে বের করতে, সেইখান থেকে এই ভ্যালুটা আসছে। এইভাবে আমরা সার্কেল ড্র করে এটা বের করে দেবো। ঠিক আছে? তো একটা ভ্যালু দেখি এইটা কত হবে। W4 কত হবে এখানে? এখানে যদি W41 হয়, এটা W42 হবে। তো W42 এর ভ্যালু মাইনাস যে আছে, W42, wait, W401. So this is W41. So W41 এর ভ্যালু হচ্ছে of, what is this? W41 এর ভ্যালু হচ্ছে মাইনাস জে। ওকে, W41 এর ভ্যালু হচ্ছে মাইনাস জে। No, 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 no. I have made a mistake. Maybe this is minus j. W41 j. It's a j over W40. What I have done? W41 j. What mistake happened? W40. 0, W41. So am I right? J minus j 1 1. But what is the problem? W41. W41 is the minus j. W41 হচ্ছে minus j. How to determine it? That is from W4000. Oh, I see. That is W41. That is W42. Oh, I see. I have written a wrong matrix here. Okay. So now all of you comment here कि भाई तू पहले सीख ले। तो एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं है भाई, एक चीज ऐसा ही है जो एक बार सीख भी लोगे ना तो कुछ दिन बाद अगर चॉर्च एंड प्रैक्टिस नहीं है तो भूल जाओगे। ओके, सो इफ यू मैं अगर মানে তোমাদের যদি প্র্যাকটিস না থাকে তো ভুলে যাবে। তো আমি জিনিসটাকে অনেকক্ষণ ধরে ভাবছিলাম যে কি ভুল হলো। তো বেসিক্যালি দেখো, এটা জিরো অ্যাক্সিস, এটা জিরো অ্যাক্সিস। তো 0 into 0, so we will write this 0. So this is 0, 0 1. So this is like this. Okay, now you got it. So we, whatever value is becoming here, this will be the like this. So this value all are 1 and this is 1. This is 1 1. So what is the 1 1 value? Omega 1 value কত? that is called, this is 1, this is 0, sorry, first axis is 0, first axis is 0, this is 2, this is 3, first axis is 0. So 0 means you will put that 0 because you will multiply it, okay? You will multiply it. You will multiply it, multiply it, multiply it, multiply it, multiply it. So if you multiply 1 into 0, it will be 0. If we multiply 0 into 2, it will be 0. So omega 0 value is 1. So hold the value in this row and in this row, it will be 1. Now how to write this value here? This is the omega 1 into 1. So omega 1 into 1 is j, minus j. So it should be minus j. Let's check the value. Okay, let's check the value. Yes, minus j. Have you got my point? I hope whoever have already done the course of the digital signal processing can remember what things I am telling you, because this is not so difficult things. So first of all, you will get the f dash. F dash, how to find this? TFT. So T will be the Tweedle factor. So this Tweedle factor value you will find. Same Tweedle factor will be written here, and the given matrix is written. After doing the matrix multiplications, okay. After completing, how to complete the matrix here? Row into column, row into column. Okay. So after completing the matrix multiplications, you will again do the make the inverse. So what is the formula of inverse? Inverse formula is, okay, let me clear this. Inverse formula is determine adjoint by determinant. So if you make the determinant, so it will almost 1. And if you write the adjoint, the value, the complex conjugate value should be changed. And opposite. So this is minus j, this should be j. This is plus j, it should be minus j. So it should be change their sign. And then you should find the determinant. Determinant is always 1 in this case. So you will get the t dash here. So after getting the t dash, you will do this again multiplication. Now this f is the this value. Don't take the previous f value. This is f dash value. So just do the matrix calculations, multiplications, and you will get the answer. So if you are asking about the 2D problem, you will do like this. And what things I have mistake here, I am just doing that omega 4 0, omega 4 1, omega 4 2. I am not doing the multiplication of two things. Okay. So you should follow the multiplication as per rules. So how to do the multiplication? Let me very clear you for your concept. So I am taking a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. So suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So how to write this axis 0, 1? How to write this axis 0, 1? So 1 is represented as omega 0 into 0. 2 is represented as omega 0 into 1. 3 is represented as omega 1 into 0. 4 is represented as omega 1 into 2. So these things you should remember. Okay, so how to represent it? 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 0 into 1 into 1. So this is the index of this matrix. Have you got my point? So that's why my error is coming there. Error was coming there. Now I have solved the error. Thank you. So first of all, you will get the f by doing the transpose. Sorry, by doing the getting the Tweedle factor here and do the multiplication. The formula is TFT. Okay. T is you transfer Tweedle factor value. F is the matrix value. Tweedle factor value. So after calculating the f dash, you will get the T inverse. That is, the formula is adjoint by determinant. So if you get the determinant, so you know that what is the formula of determinant? You know, suppose this is AB DC. DC. So how to get the determinant? BD minus AC. B into B. This row minus AC. So how to get this determinant here? Multiply this whole row and then minus this. This thing should be 1, okay? And adjoint, just change the complex conjugate term, okay? Just change the complex term, it will be the complex conjugate. That means j should be changed to the minus j and minus j should be changed to the j. So that's all.